Hey guys, this is Ayush here and welcome back to Radness. In this lockdown scenario, sit back, relax and enjoy this video till the very end. Let's look at the top 5 productivity app for Mac OS. Whether you are an aspiring writer or a time-driven student, here is what you need on a machine. But before we get started, if you don't have a Mac OS running machine, then here is what you need to do. You can go ahead and watch our Hackintosh video, link up here. So the first app on our list is PDF Element 7. No, it's not like the typical PDF creator. Let's dive in and understand what is it all about.
To get this app installed on your Mac, just open the App Store and search for PDF Element 7. Select Install. Alright, this app is an excellent and a cheaper alternative to Adobe. Also, you can do much more. So this is not your typical PDF creator. You can express yourself visually by adding your images. You can export your file as a PowerPoint and you won't believe. And you won't have to waste your time changing your docs file from Word and then save it as PDF. Adding watermark to your PDF was never this easy. The batch process has series of tools that makes this PDF element stand out of the rest. Another cool thing you can do is you can edit forms by clicking on the field and moving it. Or you can also add your own fields. All you do is on the top bar just choose the kind of boxes you would want to add, whether it's a checkbox, text field or a radio button, and just drag and drop. It's that easy. Not only that, you can actually export the data as an Excel sheet document so that in case you have a lot of forms and you want to view it in a single form, this would be a good way. Moreover, it is easier to hide confidential information which isn't supposed to go out by choosing the redact option. And do not forget, they have this app for 40% off, so get it right now.
So the next app is pretty much same like the default calendar, but not pretty much the same design.
Add your events on the calendar and view them on desktop and the notification center in case you have an event marked down. Moreover, you can have the week's overview and the tasks coming up during the week, month and even year. Location is also supported, so once you punch it in your GPS system, it will be easier to plan out your events with more accuracy. Yes, they have a dark theme as well.
Imagine multitasking on your macOS machine. No, you don't have to. Thanks to Magnet Pro, you can do that all.
Imagine running through all the different apps to find the right and then finding the other one related to that. You can simply split your screen and have two applications running parallelly. You can divide the screen vertically, horizontally, or use a quarter of your screen. This is totally worth it.
So this app is predominantly for writers. Suppose you want to complete a thesis burning the night oil, then this is a go-to app.
In the focus mode, you can select a particular sentence or a paragraph and it will just focus on that, lighting the other text. Also, this app is content oriented rather than aesthetics. So, get your work done first, then you can visualize in a way you like or by simply choosing any template you like. Moreover, you can easily export it on WordPress or Medium using Jetpack. So now it would be great to start your own blog.
So we receive a lot of emails on day-to-day basis. But here's the difference though. Spark Email helps you to integrate all your mailboxes, that is your Gmail, Outlook, etc.
Also, their advanced algorithm allows you to prioritize your emails and has an efficient spam detector to remove those annoying emails. Also, what better way to show your emotions? Emojis. Yeah, that's right. Use emojis to reply and the overall design really tickles my fancy to see the list. Imagine composing an email to your professor explaining why your project is overdue. So you can have more excuses from your friends too. Compose emails together as a group. Also, you can have a template ready for similar kinds of emails you will be sending.
That's the end for all apps for now. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you get notified each time we upload a new video. Thanks for watching the video and let us know which were your favorites. Until the next video, stay rad, stay safe and stay home.